I'm not sure if you've seen the videos of this lady exploring the amazing city of Chongqing. This southwestern Chinese metropolis is once again causing a buzz worldwide. Welcoming millions of visitors every year, Chongqing is a top tourist destination in China. In fact, it surpassed Beijing and Shanghai as the most visited city in China in 2018, receiving over 5 million visits a year. Chongqing is also recognized as the fastest growing city globally according to the World Travel and Tourism Council. Chongqing saw more than 622,000 overnight visits made during the recent 3-day Dragon Boat Festival holiday. The city's mesmerizing landscapes and cultural landmarks give it an irresistible charm. Just take a look at those breathtaking views. The local government has invested heavily in enhancing the city's infrastructure. A remarkable rail transit system has transformed Chongqing into a 3-dimensional cyberpunk metropolis. As of February this year, Chongqing boasts over 500 kilometers of rail transit, making it the largest rail transit network in a mountainous area in the world. Chongqing is also known for its commitment to safety, particularly for solo female travelers. The city boasts a 99.34% sense of security, with local police implementing smart measures such as the circle control method to ensure a safe and pleasant experience for tourists. The police also established a dedicated tourism service team to assist visitors and handle emergencies effectively. In addition, Chongqing prioritizes innovation and technology, attracting talent and investment through supportive policies and measures. This has injected new vitality into the city, creating an open, leisurely, and trending atmosphere. Of course, we cannot forget about tantalizing food. From the hotpot to flavorful noodles, the city's culinary offerings are renowned across the globe. So what else can you share about Chongqing's popularity? Let us know in the comments.